Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Today I want to talk to you about one default setting in Lightroom that you should change right now. Specifically, I'm talking about backing up your Lightroom catalog. By default, when you install Lightroom Classic, you probably allowed it to put the catalog on your local hard drive. By default, when you back up the catalog, it's going to back up the catalog to the local hard drive as well. That kind of defeats the purpose of the backup because if your main hard drive of your computer crashes, not only will you lose your Lightroom catalog, but you're going to lose the backup as well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you could change that. Now, first of all, if you have a Mac, you go up to the Lightroom Classic menu. This is under the Edit menu if you have a PC, specifically Catalog Settings. And if we go over to the bottom of the first tab, you can see Backup Catalog. I have mine set up to once a week, and that is the minimum amount that I recommend you do, meaning don't do once a month. Don't do never. Do no less than once a week. That's the way to put it. If possible, do it every day. But I'm going to change this temporarily to when Lightroom next exits, because the actual setting that you need to change isn't in Lightroom. It's in this backup dialog that will appear. So it's not readily apparent. So I'm going to have it when Lightroom next exits, and we'll close that down. Then I'm going to go up and I'm going to close down Lightroom. Now you get this backup catalog dialog box. This is what I'm talking about. Here we could change it from once a week to whatever we want, just like we did. But the backup folder. Now I mentioned by default, it's going to be in a folder that is inside of the folder that contains your Lightroom catalog. And if you lose that hard drive that contains all that, you're going to lose your backup as well. So click on Choose, and what I recommend you do, save your backup to either an external hard drive, a different hard drive than your Lightroom catalog's hard drive, or in my case, I have it saved to my Dropbox folder. The Dropbox folder is on my local hard drive, but it gets backed up to the cloud. So if I do lose my local hard drive, I still have these backups in the cloud in Dropbox. So come in here and choose a different folder than the folder that it defaults to. I strongly recommend you do that. Also, make sure that you check test integrity before backing up and optimize the catalog before backing up. That way, it's going to keep your Lightroom catalog running well. There's times where your catalog could get slightly corrupted and it will affect the performance of Lightroom. But when you do these backups and it's testing the integrity and optimizing it, if it finds an issue, it will give you the option of fixing it. And hopefully it will fix it when you choose that option to go ahead and fix it, and you'll keep your catalog running well. So again, I strongly recommend you change the backup folder from whatever it defaulted to, because it's going to default to a folder that is inside of the folder that contains your Lightroom catalog. So again, if you lose that hard drive, you're going to lose your backup as well. So change it to a different hard drive if possible, or to a backup cloud service folder like Dropbox or Google Drive or something like that, so that you're having a backup that is not on the same hard drive containing the catalog. Hope that made sense. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.